Today, we're making something super unique and delicious. Potato and chicken donuts, crispy on the outside, soft and savory on the inside. These are perfect for snacks or parties.
If you love easy and tasty recipes, you're going to enjoy this one. Let's get started. Start by boiling the chicken breast until fully cooked and tender.
When cooked, remove the chicken from the pot and let it cool slightly, then shred it into fine pieces using forks or your hands. Next, peel the potatoes and boil them until cooked. While waiting for the potatoes to cook, slice the bell peppers into small, even dice.
Slice the green chilies into thin pieces, adjusting the amount depending on how spicy you like it.
Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them well, transfer to a bowl, and mash until smooth.
Add the shredded chicken to the mashed potatoes.
Also add the diced bell pepper,
Green chilies.
Finally slice the coriander, then add it to the bowl. Add 2 eggs, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, garlic powder and seasoning powder. Then mix everything well.
Add mozzarella cheese and mix it in until evenly combined, then set aside.
For the coating, mix the flour with water. Add the water gradually until you get the right consistency, just like this. Prepare the breadcrumbs in a separate tray or bowl.
Before you start shaping, lightly coat your palms with flour to prevent the dough from sticking.
Take a handful of the dough and shape it into a donut form, making a hole in the center and smoothing the edges.
Repeat the process with the remaining dough until all the donuts are shaped and ready.
Place the shaped donuts in the fridge and let them rest for about 30 minutes to firm up.
Once firmed, take the donuts out of the fridge, coat them in the flour mixture, then roll them in breadcrumbs until fully covered. Repeat the coating process with the remaining donuts until all are evenly covered and ready to fry. Heat enough oil in a pan over medium heat, then fry the donuts until crispy and golden brown. Once golden brown and crispy, remove the donuts from the pan and drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. Look at that golden color, so beautiful, and it smells absolutely amazing. Serve them warm and pair with any dipping sauce you like. Perfectly crispy, cheesy, and delicious.
Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!